Oh, high side for the World Championship leader, and that's a dangerous, dangerous place to be crashing. Please get out of the circuit. Look at all these riders. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. It's exactly what you don't want to see. Oh, no.
Bastianini knows, he knew he's going to be absolutely gutted, crestfallen.
Race distance, certainly the temperature is about right to keep it working for him. We're going to have to wait and see. Zarco's so gentle the way he...
Motorcycle. We saw that very, very close here 1 year ago with Remy Gardner and Alex Marquez, didn't we? That right side.
Marquez is on it. Marquez is a believer. Podium for him. He's looking. And then the riders behind can pick their way through. Roberts did so, Baldassari did.